So when I bought my house, the front porch and the steps look really terrible. So did the landscaping. And they really needed to be painted and just general upkeep. So what I did is I scraped all of the loose paint off of it and I pressure washed it. And then I found some Glidden floor paint at Walmart. I'll put links down in the description below so you can see where I got everything. But I scraped all of this off and then I used the paint. I used a roller and a brush so I can get in all the crevices and all the areas. Now the video I'm going to show you of the after, it had rained. This was taken a few weeks after, but it had rained, so there's a little bit of dirty spot there, especially on that bottom part. But that's just from the dirt, especially where I had been replacing landscape timbers and new mulch and everything. But if you see any discoloration, that's all that is. In the after picture, you'll be able to see that everything looks perfect. I'll talk to you all soon.